Have you ever wondered why some people glow silently? Healing doesn't always happen loudly. Sometimes it's the quiet, small habits that transform your life. Here are 10 silent habits that secretly heal your mind. Number 1, early morning silence. Waking up early, even for just 10 minutes of silence, it resets your mind before the world's noise takes over. Number 2, journaling without rules. Writing your thoughts, no grammar checks, no pressure, just release. Your mind clears when your heart speaks. Number 3, solo walks in nature. No phone, no music, just you, the wind, and the earth beneath your feet. Nature listens when no one else does. Number 4, disconnecting from social media. A few silent hours, or even a whole day. No scrolling, no checking. Your mind breathes again. Number 5, deep breathing rituals. 5 deep breaths. In, hold, out. Healing starts when you connect with your breath. Number 6, reading uplifting books. Words that calm your storm. Pages that quiet your chaos. Reading is a silent medicine. Number 7, practicing gratitude before bed. Whispering thank you for small moments before sleep trains your brain to see light in darkness. Number 8, listening to calming sounds. Rainfall, ocean waves, forest winds. Let natural sounds cleanse your mental space. Number 9, doing something creative alone. Drawing, writing, building, crafting. Creative silence is therapy for hidden wounds. Number 10, letting yourself feel. In silence. No distractions, no fighting emotions. Just letting feelings pass through. Healing begins when we stop resisting. Healing doesn't need noise. It needs your quiet attention. Which silent habit will you try first? Subscribe to Silent Recovery, your safe space to quietly grow.